Yes, hello everyone. Today we'd like to look at how we can make this trick on click button, hide and show data. Hide and show button. Once you click, you see that this button here, before it says you show. Once you click, it says hide. Above that, once you click it, you see that there is a loading page that first appears before this information. This information is from just an API. If you didn't check out in the previous videos, first check through the previous videos. There is a video that teaches how to fetch from an API. So once you click, you see this magic. Once you click, try to turn off your internet. When I try to turn off my internet and I hide, when I click again, just the loading page stays because I turned off my internet. So this data from an API can't be fetched because the internet is switched off. But when I try to turn it back, when I put back the internet, data will be fetched, as you see. Let's try to make this from scratch. Go straight to your VS Code. I'm in app.js. Come to components and create a new component. Let's name it show hide.js. Is it okay? Let's go straight and start working on it. We'll also need use state. Use state is important. Use state is important here. But this may not work. The folder we created, show and hide, it seems it won't work. Let's create another folder. Let's name it displaying data .js. Hope this works. Let's delete this one. Seems it won't work. And let's continue. Yes, this will work. And here we'll create button. We'll create a button and name it show. and create another button and rename it hide, like that. Is it? Let's first import it within app.js. Let's import it here. Import displaying data. So I commented out this one because I don't need it at the moment. So we imported displaying data. So we have to also include it here. We will say displaying data. Yeah. So let's see whether it has worked. Yes. But once I click, no action takes place. Nothing is taking place here because we haven't done anything. I'm having these styles because I already made the styles, and I'll put the link in the description. You will try to check out in the description. Feel free to like. If you like the video, you can share, comment, yeah, something like that. Let's go. So if you need the styling, once you come to app.js, here's the styling I made. Text align center, background color light green, padding 20 pixels, height 100 VH, overflow scroll. Because there is data from an API, it's a lot of data that goes down, so you need to scroll. The stylings, the button, for the button, here's the styling. Button, background color, #88, padding 10, border radius 5 pixels, font size. Hope that's it. When we come back, I will say const show comma set show equals use state let's first say true at the moment. But let's leave it as false. Use state false. So here on click, we will say on click we'll put a callback function and say on click set show, and click set show true, and then we'll come back here, we'll come down here, put a function and say show, if show, we'll say h1 let's say data displayed. We need to put these closing brackets. So ls it will return else it will return null. Hope that's it. Sorry, we did not import use state. Instead, we imported it the other side. Put use state. Yes. Let's go and see. Yes, hope it works, but once we click the hide button, it does nothing. Once we click the hide button, it does nothing. So come back to VS Code and let's work on the hide button. The hide button will say Onclick, we put a callback function, and say set show, false, once we come, let's first see. Yes, it works well, but we need this to be a one button. We don't need two buttons, so it should be a one button. We should now come and say we put a function here and say show open the brackets. We have to cut this and then bring it here. From that, we will open other bracket and we'll also bring this. Here. So let's see. Once you refresh, let's try to fix something here. Let's try to fix something. We need to cut this, and it should be the last one, and this should be the first one. This should be the first one. So our button is working properly. So what is remaining is just making your code be displayed in a good way, in a good manner. So if we make our code like this, yeah. So when we continue here, once you come back, you can display that and can easily see that it is displayed. From that, hope that's it. If you'd like to see the other data fetched from the API, like we saw, there is a previous video that I made. So let's try also to import that work and see. Import fetching data. Import fetching data. Let's first see the component where it belongs. So you need to import fetching data from / fetching data. Hope that's it. And now hope we'll let's try to now we'll just include it here. We just need to include it here and say fetching that from that hope data is displayed. So that's it. Thanks for watching. You can feel free to check in the comment section, the description, And for more information, feel free to include the link to the GitHub. So for the source code, it will be displayed. You're free to click the source code to the GitHub and get all the information from there.